Today I'll show you how to convert a Visa gift card to cash with PayPal. First, it is important to understand that a Visa gift card is not the same as regular cash in a bank account. A Visa gift card is usually a prepaid card that can be used for purchases wherever that type of card is accepted. In some cases, you may be able to add a Visa gift card to PayPal as a payment method, but that does not always mean you can directly withdraw the card balance as cash. PayPal says you can link cards and bank accounts to your PayPal wallet for payments and checkout. PayPal also explains that moving gift card value to a bank account may depend on the card type, wallet, and available options. To try this, open the PayPal app or go to PayPal in your browser. Sign into your PayPal account. Go to Wallet. Choose Link a Card or Add Card. Now enter the Visa gift card number, expiration date, security code, and billing address if required. Some Visa gift cards need to be registered with a billing address on the card issuer's website before they work online. After adding the card, you may be able to use it to pay for online purchases through PayPal. But if your goal is to get cash, check whether PayPal gives you an option to add money from that card to your PayPal balance. PayPal's current help says some users can add money from a bank or debit card, but availability depends on the account and eligible payment method. If the Visa gift card is accepted as an eligible debit card, follow the prompts to add money. Enter the amount, review any fee or processing time, and confirm only if everything looks correct. If PayPal does not allow the transfer, then that gift card cannot be cashed out through PayPal directly. You may still use the card for purchases, bills, or online checkout where Visa gift cards are accepted. Be careful with third-party cash-out services because they may charge high fees or ask for sensitive information. Never share your PayPal password, card number, security code, or verification code with someone offering to convert the card for you. So, to keep it simple, add the Visa gift card to PayPal wallet, check if PayPal allows you to add money from that card, and if not, use the card for purchases instead. And that's how converting a Visa gift card to cash with PayPal works. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.